Hello everyone, my name is Dhananjay Sharma of RJNYD in Social Work Department. Now I am going to discuss about the topic Tejaswini Project, Adolescent Girls and Youth Women. So let's start. In small towns or villages, it is seen that boys are given all the facilities which make their life either can make them better, but girls does not get all those faculties. If adolescent girls and youth women have to go to other village for education, their education is stopped and they are made to sit at home and they get married at a young age. Girls are not given freedom if they want to express their view or any issue at home or in society. I want to take this issue forward and discuss with you guys about the Tejaswini project going on in Jharkhand state. Project is being run by the government of Jharkhand and the World Bank in 15 districts of Jharkhand with the aim of social and economic empowerment of adolescent girls and youth women between the age of 20 to 24. Because this world is made up of both men and women, it is very important for women to be empowered in today's era. In view of this social and economic empowerment of adolescent girls and youth women in Jharkhand is being done through Tejaswini project. Under this project, the following types of faculties are available to adolescent girls and youth women. First of all, education is provided by connecting and educational dropout adolescent and girls youth women with National Open School till 10th class. Adolescent girls and youth women personality development is done by training them in life skill. Empowerment teenage girls are and empowerment teenage girls and young women by vocational training. Financially empowerment of adolescent girls and young women is done by providing them business training. Adolescent girls and young women open saving account in the bank. Social empowerment of all 14 to 24-year adolescent girls and youth women is done by connecting them with Tejaswini club and going various activities the club. Let's discuss the conclusion now, friends. The conclusion that is drawn in the Church of Far is as follow. Adolescent girls and youth women need to be educated because his education can make her and her family successful in life. Adolescent girls and youth women in need of his skill training because life skill training tells people the right way to life. Adolescent girls and youth women is need of vocational trainings so that it today's era she too can earn something and make her family financially strong. Tesini project is a good project for adolescent girls and young men with is going their all round development. Thank you.